Unlock the ultimate Amazon finds with these 35 ingenious tools. From mind-blowing innovations to everyday game changers, some of these will leave you speechless. Watch till the end to discover your next must-have. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Franklin Pro Sensor is currently priced at $39.97 on Amazon. The Pro Sensor M150 Stud Finder is a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast. With 9 sensors, it delivers unparalleled accuracy, detecting studs up to 1.5 inch deep. Its one-button operation and no calibration required make it user-friendly, while the clear LED display shows both the center and edges of studs simultaneously. Rafter Square is currently priced at $13.99 on Amazon. This versatile aluminum tool is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Its durable, rust-proof body ensures longevity, while the permanent deep markings provide precise measurements. Use it as a protractor, saw guide, or try miter square for unparalleled accuracy in your projects. The blue finish adds a stylish touch, making it both functional and attractive in your toolkit. Tough Built Utility Reload Knife is currently priced at $26.99 on Amazon. The Tough Built Reload Utility Knife is a remarkable tool perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its innovative quick reloading design allows effortless blade changes, while the durable aluminum and zinc construction ensures long-lasting performance. With an integrated finger ridge guard and non-slip housing, it provides excellent grip and safety. Digital tape measure is currently priced at $259.99 on Amazon. The T1 Tomahawk tape measure is an exceptional tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With self-calibrating accuracy beyond 1/32 of an inch, it ensures precise measurements every time. The side-mounted e-paper display stores up to 500 measurements, making tracking effortless. Its integrated green laser aids in alignment, while the Rock app enhances collaboration on the job site. Dead Blow Hammer is currently priced at $12.81 on Amazon. The Nyko 2 pounds Dead Blow Hammer is a fantastic addition to any toolkit. Its steel shot-filled head delivers maximum force without recoil, making it perfect for automotive and woodworking tasks. The Unicast poly molded body prevents wear and sparks, ensuring safety. Cabinet Installation Clamps is currently priced at $39.98 on Amazon. The cabinet clamp is an exceptional tool for anyone tackling cabinetry projects, combining rust-proof steel construction with precision design. The built-in drill guide ensures accurate pilot holes, while the durable alignment plates keep face frames perfectly aligned. Craig K 4 Pocket Hole Jig is currently priced at $89.99 on Amazon. If you're a woodworking enthusiast, the Craig Pocket Hole Jig is a must-have tool for your projects. With its 3-hole drill guide, it accommodates materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick, ensuring strong, precise joints. The removable drill guide offers versatility for both benchtop and portable use, while the included dust collection adapter keeps your workspace clean. This tool simplifies woodworking tasks, making them faster and more efficient. Heavy-duty steel jack stands is currently priced at $31.99 on Amazon. The big red lightweight jack stands are essential for anyone needing reliable vehicle support. Crafted from high-grade forged steel, they can handle up to 3 tons and adjust from 11.25 inch to 16.5 inch in height. The sawtooth ratchet design allows for quick and secure adjustments, while the large saddle provides excellent load contact. Siding mounting kit is currently priced at $47.99 on Amazon. The Pro Grip Clamp is an outstanding tool for anyone tackling siding installation alone. Its adjustable gauges cater to various siding reveals, and the friction cam mechanism supports long lengths with precision. Made from durable plastic and featuring a rubber locking grip, it prevents damage to your siding. Screw extractor set is currently priced at $7.99 on Amazon. The 6-piece screw extractor set is an essential tool for anyone dealing with stubborn screws and bolts. Compatibility with any drill makes it versatile. while the high-speed steel construction ensures durability and efficiency in removing damaged screws. Knife sharpener is currently priced at $6.99 on Amazon. The Smith's Mini 2-Step Sharpener is an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Its compact design allows for easy portability, fitting effortlessly in your pocket or tackle box. With coarse and fine stages, it restores dull blades and maintains sharpness. The non-slip rubber feet enhance safety during use, while the floating feature makes it perfect for fishing trips. Works SD Screwdriver is currently priced at $42.24 on Amazon. The Works semi-automatic screwdriver is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts. Its quick draw bit change allows effortless switching between 6 bits with a simple slide action, enhancing efficiency. The innovative screw holder lets you operate with one hand, while the rapid reloadable cartridge ensures you never lose a bit. Pocket screwdriver is currently priced at $15.97 on Amazon. The HVAC pocket driver is an exceptional tool that seamlessly combines convenience and functionality. Its Schrader valve bit is perfect for HVAC tasks, while the dual-length barrel offers versatility for tight spaces. The premium spin cap ensures precise fastening, and the cushion grip handle enhances comfort during use. Water pump pliers is currently priced at $30.88 on Amazon. If you're seeking reliability, look no further than these precision-grade performance tools. Designed for comfort and durability, their ergonomic grip enhances usability, allowing for extended periods of work without fatigue. Lightweight at just 62 grams, they seamlessly adapt to various environments, whether at home or on the job. Portable workbench is currently priced at $119.99 on Amazon. The iconic Workmate Project Center is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. This portable folding work table holds up to 550 pounds, thanks to its heavy-gauge steel frame and laminated bamboo top. Its adjustable jaws and swivel pegs make clamping irregular shapes a breeze, while the quick setup enhances convenience. DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool is currently priced at $94.97 on Amazon. The DeWalt 20-volt oscillating tool is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. With its brushless motor, it delivers up to 57% more runtime, ensuring you can tackle projects without frequent interruptions. The dual grip variable speed trigger provides excellent control, while the quick change accessory system lets you switch blades effortlessly. Self-leveling crossline laser is currently priced at $44.99 on Amazon. The Bosch Laser Level is an outstanding tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. With its dual power flexibility, you can use AA batteries or a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, minimizing downtime. Its IP55 rating makes it durable against dust and rain. The self-leveling feature ensures precision within 5/16 of an inch at 30 feet, while its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle and store. Multi-tool pen is currently priced at $19.99 on Amazon. The multifunctional 2-pack pen set is a must-have for anyone who loves DIY projects or needs a practical tool on hand. With features like a bright LED light, stylus top, rulers, and screwdrivers, this durable aluminum pen is perfect for various tasks. Its portability and versatility make it an ideal gift for anyone, ensuring you're always prepared for any project. Crescent Tool Bag Backpack is currently priced at $86.99 on Amazon. The professional-grade backpack is an exceptional tool for anyone needing organization and durability on the job. With a moisture-resistant hard polypropylene base and a robust 1680D polyester construction, it withstands tough environments. Its 34 interior pockets and adjustable front pocket hold everything securely, while the bright orange interior helps locate tools quickly. CSI Mini Chainsaw is currently priced at $56.99 on Amazon. The CC 6-inch mini chainsaw is a fantastic addition to any toolkit, effortlessly tackling garden tasks and DIY projects. With a powerful 900-watt motor, it cuts through logs up to 6 inches thick in seconds. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for anyone, while features like automatic chain lubrication ensure smooth, even cuts. Retractable garden hose reel is currently priced at $169.99 on Amazon. The Gardener retractable hose reel is an exceptional gardening tool that combines convenience and quality. Its 100-foot hose retracts effortlessly with a gentle tug, while the 180-degree swivel wall bracket prevents kinks. Made from high-density mesh and UV stabilized, this durable hose ensures longevity. Included are all necessary fittings and an adjustable nozzle, making setup a breeze for hassle-free watering. DeWalt Atomic Circular Saw is currently priced at $127.84 on Amazon. The brushless motor on this saw delivers impressive cutting power, allowing you to slice through up to 369 linear feet of 3/4 of an inch OSB with ease. The removable auxiliary handle ensures enhanced control, while the electronic blade brake prioritizes safety. Its bevel capabilities make it versatile for various projects, and the onboard dust port keeps your workspace clean, greatly improving efficiency. Knife sharpener tool is currently priced at $169.95 on Amazon, the Ken Onion Edition. MK2 knife and tool sharpener is a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. With its flexible abrasive belts and precision guides, it delivers professional-grade sharpening effortlessly. The electronic speed control allows for quick adjustments, ensuring consistent results every time. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to store. Garden Weasel Bulb Planter is currently priced at $42.11 on Amazon. The Garden Weasel Bulb Planter is an essential tool for any gardening enthusiast. Effortlessly create uniform holes for bulbs with a simple step on the footplate, eliminating the need to bend or kneel. Its professional-grade design and durable materials ensure reliability for years to come. Rechargeable screwdriver is currently priced at $19.99 on Amazon. The 4-volt cordless electric screwdriver kit is an impressive tool that combines versatility with convenience. Its pivoting head locks in 3 positions, making it perfect for tight spaces. The forward and reverse trigger allows for easy operation, while torque setting control ensures precision for various tasks. Plus, its integrated USB-C charging port makes recharging a breeze, enhancing its practicality for any home project. Weller Soldering Station is currently priced at $346.99 on Amazon. This 70-watt soldering iron is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. With its rapid heat-up and recovery, you'll spend less time waiting and more time soldering. The digital LCD screen allows for precise temperature control, while the toolless tip change enhances accuracy. Plus, the low-maintenance extraction unit keeps your workspace clean. Electric scissors is currently priced at $44.31 on Amazon. The ZipSnip cordless electric scissors are a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Weighing only 1 pound, they offer portability and ease of use, cutting through materials like fabric, cardboard, and plastic with minimal strain. The built-in automatic sharpening system ensures you always enjoy clean cuts. With a long-lasting battery and included case, it's the perfect tool for effortless, efficient crafting. Poultry trimmer and pruner is currently priced at $119.47 on Amazon. The Fiskars tree pruner is an invaluable tool for any gardener. Its extendable aluminum pole reaches from 7.9 to 12 feet, making it perfect for high branches while remaining lightweight to reduce fatigue. The low-friction coating prevents sap buildup, and the chain drive gearing offers 3 times the cutting power. With durable steel blades, this pruner ensures long-lasting performance with every use. Depths Tech Endoscope is currently priced at $103.99 on Amazon. The DS520 sewer inspection camera is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its 50 feet semi-rigid cable allows for versatile inspections in various environments, while the upgraded triple lens and split-screen functionality provide optimal viewing angles. The 5-inch IPS screen displays stunning 1080p images, and its IP67 waterproof rating ensures durability. Hodo Laser Measuring Tool is currently priced at $49.99 on Amazon. The mini yellow ring laser tape measure is an exceptional tool for anyone needing precision in their projects. With its compact design and Bluetooth connectivity, It seamlessly syncs with the MI Home app for data storage, floor plan creation, and photo export. The low-power OLED screen ensures long-lasting use, making it ideal for real estate agents and architects. Fisher Duotech high-quality toggle plug is currently priced at $14.99 on Amazon. This innovative tool is perfect for those tackling installations in tight spaces. With standard drill hole diameters and a short tilting element, it easily fits into narrow cavities, even those with insulation. The flexible screw mount accommodates various screws and hooks, making it incredibly versatile. Kreg Quick Flip is currently priced at $12.99 on Amazon. The Kreg two-sided drill and driver bit is an essential tool for any woodworker. Its dual functionality allows you to drill pilot holes and drive screws seamlessly, ensuring strong joints every time. The quick release feature makes it incredibly convenient for tasks like attaching false fronts and joining corners. Compatible with Kreg 2 square drive screws, it enhances efficiency and precision, making your DIY projects smoother and more professional. Spray paint gun is currently priced at $109.99 on Amazon. The Drizzle D1 LVLP spray paint gun is an exceptional tool for DIY enthusiasts. Its user-friendly design includes clear markings and comprehensive guides, making setup effortless. The sprayer delivers superior paint atomization for a smooth, professional finish while reducing waste. Made from durable aluminum with a Teflon coating, it's easy to clean and built to last, ensuring reliable performance for any painting project. Trex One-Step TL is currently priced at $19.98 on Amazon. The Trex Hideaway Fastener installation tool is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Its one-step installation drastically reduces setup time, enhancing both speed and accuracy. Designed specifically for Trex Hideaway universal fasteners, it features a convenient bit holder and a nose cone that aligns perfectly with the screw head for seamless actuation. Works Nitro Switch Driver is currently priced at $80.98 on Amazon. The cordless drill driver offers exceptional versatility and power for all your projects. Its rotating dual chucks allow quick bit changes, while the brushless motor delivers 65% more power, reaching up to 1,700 revolutions per minute with 445 N-pounds of torque. With a digital interface for easy torque adjustments and compatibility with over 140 tools, it's perfect for tackling any task with ease and efficiency. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of 35 tools on Amazon. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which tool you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.